Morning. This is a Norway morning. You're live, you know? You're not live, but the whole world. I go the whole world. I see you now. What you say to the world?
Good morning, Earl. You see we? Now we there. You see we? Randy. Yeah, big up Randy.
We could look on the side here, sir.
Look on the side. Norway. Welcome to Norway. Norway. Now we there. Yeah.
What is it about Norway you love?
Why yes, so me born and grow this all me know. No care where me go in the world and now where me say. Yeah, that's the thing there, you see me?
Are you design this?
Yeah man.
Wait there. You did watch a story about
Antique house. You know Callum first time watch all them house they look like be a Callum and sitting antique. You know the antique house around the you want to go in some western.
So wait there, where you get the idea?
You know I just start build it and so my brother buy them thing there, the mold in them and thing and I just start design, you know. Him have the molding and the thing, so it's cheaper for me. So I just design it with everything because I know it's going to cost me less, you know.
Okay. So how many rooms is this so far?
1, 2, 3. Right now we have about 7 rooms on it, you know. 7 rooms with bathroom and half a bathroom and kitchen. About 3 kitchen upon it right now and stuff, you know.
Wow, man, this is magnificent. So you took
garage and stuff.
You took some time. You say you're gonna even build a road go down there, sir?
Yeah, to the garage. That's where the car porch is at.
Okay.
Yes.
How long it took you to build it?
Like 4 years. 4 years, yeah, from 2005 till 2019 now, yeah, 2015 till 2019.
But you have a nice view, man. Look for your view, sir.
Man, cool, you know, come out and go up on the balcony when you wake up in the morning, be a fresh air, you know. Just a look, be a birds and everything. Why I love it, you know. Country life.
You wouldn't live nowhere else?
No way. I'm going Norway, but Norway.
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Organized hotel, so the view, the people, the food, what is it?
The environment, to me, environment, you know, so everything, we work with the people, them, and we work with everything come, so everything, nothing no bother me. Yeah, nothing no bother me, because if it make you bother, you don't want to leave. You know, some stuff bother you, don't want to sit, nothing no bother me, man, me good, you know. People, them, all right, everything good, you know.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? Good doing they don't go Treasure Beach in probably soon come up. You don't Nick, you know, his son.
Good morning, sir. What's your name, sir?
Huh?
It's a pleasure.
Yeah, man.
You must know Sicilin.
Sicilin.
Benny.
So, yeah, man.
Sissy.
Yeah, man.
You grew up together with her?
Yeah, man.
How old are you? How old are you?
Me? 81.
Wait. You 81? If you man sick, strong arm for me. You're 81?
81.
Give me your name again.
Bogle.
Mr. Bogle?
Yeah, man.
What is your name, ma'am?
Eva.
How old are you?
68.
68. It's a pleasure. If you man sick, check around for me too. So where can I come see you?
Right up by where them a building house. So like a part of the church and go, you know, Sparrow?
Yeah, right. Now come look for you later. What time are you coming back?
About 3, 4.
Alright, I want to come sit down with you because you're 81 and you look better than me. Good! This man is 81!
You remember build a little basket in and build basket. You have no basket to build now? You building a basket right now?
Yeah, man.
You can go up there.
Now come look for you.
Or you build the basket?
Yeah.
You want to chill and go sell basket. The man and I go there 10 more years, nobody know they are building a basket again. Yeah, man, you go everywhere. You know the thing where you carry first time thing, them thing. You know I want to talk to you about one enough to put clothes in her.
Oh, the clothes one?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, man, when you ready?
My tall one, we can just antique. We just want
yeah, man, when you ready? I'm going to have one.
Yeah, more other one fly.
Mr.
Other one fly, more one.
Okay.
Want where you put the You put the clothes
Me
in
know,
there,
me
yeah.
know, me know.
Dirty clothes.
With the cover.
With the cover, yes.
Yeah, man. Me know.
I go spend some time with you, man. I mean, have some friend I go want come see you.
Okay.
All right, so
Yeah, man. That's all right.
come back and before you know me I go there.
Yeah, man.
It's a pleasure. Good
Yeah, man.
morning.
Okay, then. You
All
come
right,
over, you know?
all right, later.
Alright.
Yeah, man, we are the whole of the people them live good boy, man. You know, cause you just better live it. You know, in a sense, who want corrupt themselves getting certain things, them do that. You see me? But me live, in my heart, me live good with them. I don't know if them live good with me.
Okay.
And me like them, you know. Yeah, me like them, because if me they wanna do a little thing, I build me little cook shop and cook. Me just want to cook more,
could
just
take a
cook and
while.
who want eat.
You can take over.
You see me? Yeah, man, this a few people, them man, party, anybody want to come, welcome,
We
you know.
live good heart business.
Yes, we protected, man. Yeah, man, I say this, man. Now we put it back on now.
Yes, see it there?
Good life.
Good life. Jamaica Good Life there
Yeah,
now
man.
way.
Then you and Al, garden, now we garden.
Yeah.
Done with it, you know,
It started and this other
but we are change up, we are change up everything right now, and they want to walk, go up by grave.
Mm-hmm.
One idea we not do like yesterday, we just walk around and reason, you know, heal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just walk, go up there.
Oh,
My
yeah.
foundation, you know, my sister, them man, thing I foundation, cause
So
you know,
your family and my family pretty much side by side for years.
it's ever since, man. You know, building like a cook shop and thing.
You said you had a vision for over years of your parking garage. You go.
Yeah.
This is gonna actually come all the way out.
Yeah, road, parking garage, yeah. I'm gonna get it to a parking garage, you know. And try, you know. So upstairs and downstairs garage.
Yeah.
Yeah, off of the road and
So this kitchen is your.
yeah, any little thing, you know, somebody want in our community, them can get it to use. It's a fireside kitchen.
Okay.
Jerk, you know, fireside and thing.
Yes.
Anybody want it, the community kitchen.
Oh,
you
this
know?
is lovely.
Yeah.
So I can bring my local Good Life crew come cook
Yeah,
out.
if you want to cook, get your chef and you use it. Cook
Yeah,
it
I
up
have my
prepare.
chef man,
Yeah,
Nick,
man. Yeah.
and Pokey.
Yeah, so you just bring them.
Boom.
And then you have everything, you just come use it. You
Give
know?
thanks,
Just
give
clean it
thanks.
up when you're done.
Yeah, man. Wow. So we have a community kitchen.
Yeah.
Anybody can cook and have a party with them. Kids are nothing.
Give them kids anything, man.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Jonathan.
So this I go like a little park, same way parking park and thing we can, you know, concrete park. When we're ready, you know, future when you get some money.
So when you
Money
started out, enough people probably said, what does money I do? You did, when you started out, you always hear the negative, right?
Yeah, even now, because them I say drugs we are selling and ain't sitting there, but
Okay.
every day, you know, but you know, we not pre that still. I work hard, man. We don't tell them already when them if people what we think. Work hard and hard work are the key to success, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man, no weed, no drugs, man. You know, people do that, but we not do that.
Do you smoke?
No,
Not even smoke.
no, not even smoke.
That's what I want to do more
Yeah,
time
one
on.
vibes, you know, Magnum
Mm-hmm.
and Hennessy and anything.
So the positive, this is the real good life, because everything that you've earned, you earn it honestly.
Yeah, man.
You drive truck in this years. We talked about that you. How many years you drive the truck?
Since was 2014 or 15. Same time I start house. Same time I get a job, I start my house.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have a little job, you know, trade like mechanic and stuff, but no, I never really into that the part of it, the mechanic, but I can do it well too.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, that me like it as a skill, can rally back on, but me not like it as a job, you know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just like it as a skill, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But you know, yeah man, a good life, man, you see it. Every little thing,
If-
my little
if-
fowl
if-
cub, me have my little fowl cub and hog pen, raise my own hog. You know, my own chicken them for my own eating use, you know.
So that's your chicken.
Yes.
Yeah, how got your chicken house?
Hog and chicken house. So yeah, we do that, you know, we just have we put everything in order
Mm-hmm.
for rainy day, you know.
What do you advise Jamaican teens, 20 and up, like 25? You know, said enough time Jamaica.
Yeah, yeah.
You see them sit down and I
Yes.
smoke weed. That's
Yeah, you know, go get a skill, man. Nothing beat a skill, because you can sit down on the wall right here, so if you have a skill and a man come and say, what you do? If a mechanic you do, come fix a car here for me. If a welding you do, you come weld up the grill here for me. Come measurement the grill here for me. You know, anything, if a woodwork you do, if you have a little trade in a like building, man call and say, you come do a week out of work for me. Get a skill, man. That's all, you know, that nothing, cause you know, and everybody can manage education.
Mm-hmm.
Cause me have education, but me can't manage it, so me not really take it, cause it's too much. Them the thing that we mad people. If you can't take it, we mad you.
Mm-hmm.
Education, cause they want to teach you too much things, and some of the things that you can't manage.
Mm-hmm.
So I give you too much one time in your little brain, and some of the
Mm-hmm.
time they don't understand, say, education, I mad enough for you them to, cause them try to take in too much.
Okay.
You know that too.
Yeah. You have to take.
You have to take your time. Me learn
Simple.
every day. You can't put me in school for me learn 1 year. You can't learn everything in 1 year, brother.
Okay, you have to take your time.
You have to take your time. You understand? You go to college to learn. A lifetime you learn things.
True.
So it's when you talk to all the elder, them can teach you.
Yeah,
Because them learn over years.
81 years.
You know what years them can tell you things.
Yes,
Them
sir.
sit down with that. You can't send me go to no school and tell me something I go learn. I basic, give me basic and me good.
Good.
Me learn with that. Now give me no, boy, you go give me degree in a 4 or 5 years. You don't want that.
You experience.
Yes.
Life,
Yeah.
real experience.
Because people will get a degree and everything in their life can't do what me do. Right now, enough of them will have degree. And with them how much subject and sitting there. I mean, I have them sitting there.
And you already built and you set up lights.
I don't want nobody
You set up lights in the community.
Yeah.
You build for the community.
You there for the community, man.
And no, I'm proud of you, man. I'm proud of you.
I mean, in the community do it too, man. Because Rambo, we have a bridge named Slim. Help out with me same way. And, you know, I want to put the team more where, you know, everybody.
So if people, let's say, send funding for help out, what would you focus on that funding there for do? Let's say a man say, yo, I like what I'm doing now. Want to link him and see if we can put on a... Well, the kids them need more on there, so shoes.
They need every little thing, man, because we want a library, we want some things, internet, to make sure them come up and we teach them, because they're my future too, you know.
Okay.
You see me, I like all that now. Want to buy a little school bus or a little mini bus.
Yeah.
Like when you see that you they take up all them picnic on the van. Every morning, like me, they and I work, you know, and me just want to carry them go to school and when evening time come, me pick them up. Things like that, me want.
But that's why I don't want to get the Jamaica Good Life bus here, so.
You understand? So I want to have my things and me pick them, because me, when me pass picnic at school, I'm on
You see them walk 8
take
miles.
them up evening time, see me no leave them, you know.
Okay.
Things like them, they are them things there we do. So you know, all the little kids them to grow up and respect and know where we do things with them. Cause me try to do it a year time by myself. Like all August time now, me come down and do a little thing for them. See me cook and give them what me can give them.
What date in August?
Like, you know, you have a fixed date. Like, me come and, you know, cause people have them little event and me just try to fit in with it.
Okay.
You see me try to fit in with it. Yeah, principal is a high right.
Are the principal? So him pick up some of the kids with him. Yeah, man, we need a little bus, man. I'm going to try to set up a GoFundMe to get the Jamaica Good Life bus, you know.
Yeah, so you can have a little bus. And you can do it anyway. You can do it here so sometime. Anyway, you can go do that.
Do it. Because at this make the world work in a region. And the children, them, we have to just focus on them 100%. So the principal, wow, love it. I love it. Finally the world get to understand. So when you did grow up as a little boy and run around.
Go for fun, man. We did it like one time.
A slingshot,
yeah,
bird.
Right now you have bird, a lot of white dove and they call it ball plate. If you look, you see them in the tree. We used to use marble and thing, you know, play elastic and thing. A lot of thing, man, in the different though, because you know technology take over still, you know, picking and do them thing there again. But we used to have more fun. That's why I say me have all my phone right now, not even internet, because I just like them time the back more now. Rather them the time there.
So you okay, so you know in the fast pace, Instagram all them thing.
No. Me do it, but me do it for promotion and thing, but me just
you know,
me not do it for that lifestyle, you know, for living.
Okay. You still
blind to it, you know.
You still
hit that way.
You still live on the gully side?
Yeah, man. So you know a thing go. Nice little place, man, you know.
I love it, man.
Cool, look like cool and thing, you know, and a lot of people around you. You come out, you can hold a little mids, you know. Now nobody here open nice in some place a being cussing all this, man. You have to tell somebody, quiet up, man.
The people see the view, them see the organic food coming out, so everything you have.
Organic here too, you know.
Even the air.
Organic air, yeah, just be a breeze and fresh breeze and thing.
You go to any river nearby? You go Niger River?
Yeah, nice river.
You like Niger River?
Man, we go there like sometime, you know.
Cook out.
Yeah, man, we go last time, we go down there, we carry food, go cook and promote my party, me and some of my friends. Yeah, we go down there, we carry things down there, we promote the party, them and thing, you know, and cook and everybody on the river we give.
You see you have some trees there, man.
Yeah, we have some
Pimento and...
Pimento, that we just plant that one day the other day, we didn't call that one here almond.
You have an almond tree.
You just plant it, not just say have it, you know. It grow quick too. I don't think we plant it 2 years now.
So when you get up in the morning, coffee, you're not a coffee man.
Anything my girlfriend give me, you know, tea, milk tea, coffee, anything, you know, coffee, anything she have. Just wait for breakfast, you know.
So you not bring your friend them from foreign for come chill out with you, like?
And that was, yeah man, in the process, you know.
To set it up.
Yeah, in the process. When them come, them comfortable. And although them comfortable now, but make them go on when them everything, make them take their time, you know, we're not here, you know.
The weekend at the big, every people, February 22nd, every year, February 23rd, 24th. So these are the fixed dates, right?
Yeah, different days, yeah. 3 days, different things.
So people over the world, this is what I'm saying to you right now. You have the ability to come here and celebrate and support Jonathan, building the community. You know, you have raffles and stuff, you have swimming pool for the kids, you have yard sale and everything. It's called the weekend, and every year you have a challenge.
Talent show, casino,
Talent
big money
show.
bingo, stuff like that.
He's doing it for the people, and this is Norway. So I hope you come out from all over the world, whether you're in Kingston, Montego Bay, London. You come to Jamaica at that time. The only reason I came to Jamaica is for the weekend. I couldn't miss it this year, you know. And since this is where I come from, that's my yard.
Neighbors, right?
You see me?
It's like everything.
So we're neighbors, and we're gonna build a community together and make it better for the children. So this is where the weekend happens. We're gonna go on top and show them. The party was up here. It was amazing. You would have to. This is the VIP. The VIP section. And they had a swimming pool here. That's Randy's original yard. Cicely had 14 kids. That's my grandmother's shop right there. So the future, my whole life, moving forward, is making life better for my community. When you guys morning, when you guys, Jonathan is getting one of the rooms ready and we're gonna look at it. When you guys are ready to come, you just link me 646-330-9150. And this is the view you go and get. You can eat your breakfast right just if you want. Look at this. This is where you. So the party was a success?
Yes, sir. A lot of people, man. A lot of people from all over. Cause this is the VIP, because it's not finished yet, you know. By next year, we have the other part over here. I get ready. This I have the roof. The roof to go inside, you know. Casino games and stuff over this side. Next year, casino games, wheels and tables, you know. Yeah. You know.
This is what is this thing here? That's the
Tank.
Oh, that's your tank.
Water catchment to catch water.
Oh, so that's how you build it. You just build it by itself.
Yeah.
And it just run into itself and boom.
Water off of the roof and stuff going there. The house. You know, catch the water off of this from the other day. I take the gutter off of it. So I have the gutter on it again.
So you really up top.
It's up top boss, you know?
Now, what is it up top bar? Up top means? Some people never heard that. Is it in Manchester them use it?
Braffing, you know, entertainer use it, so you know, follow entertainer. A lot of entertainer use it. You have an entertainer and up top boss, you know.
Okay.
So everybody just use it, and through we have a high house, them call me up top boss. They call me all type of name. Weekend boss. There are a lot of names, so we just, long as I, you know, just work with them people, them say,
The people give you the love.
Yeah, anything the people them feel comfortable with, we just make them happy, you know.
So you want more love from all over Jamaica.
Yeah.
If other communities start building themselves and keep the peace and tranquility. One thing we notice about Jamaica though, music all the time.
Yeah, that's what keeps
Love
Jamaica,
it.
you know.
The music.
If it wasn't, like that's stress in Jamaica too, you know, because the lack of work. Because, you know, you them farming are the key, but I know everybody can manage it, just like education. I know everybody can manage them the thing there. So you have to have things just like life, or just like clothes. I know everybody can manage their clothes. So you have to give people things where they can manage. You understand? I know like clothes, I know everybody can buy a Jordan. I know everybody can buy a Clarks. I know everybody can buy. So you have to give people. That's why you see China them come successful in a Jamaica all over the world. They might give people where they can afford, then give them the dearest thing and the cheapest thing. So you work with China, you get China make everything from shoes. So them build the dear one and then build the cheap one. The same thing you have to give people where they can manage. So education, you have to give them. You have to come in like a community like this now. Me never see nobody like drive come in here like how you that in here now, good life. Yeah. And I look and I say, I'm going to go hold a little meeting with the youth them and see where they can manage, where they want in a life.
Yeah.
Like, you know, them come, even this month I say, come keep a meeting up here so and get in neighboring community and, you know, and come in, you know, loudspeaker and make the people them come in one evening and see where them can manage. Because enough of them are try to give you a skill, but you have to have an education back at it. You know, work so. You can't give a youth a skill without 4 or 5 subjects. Because they must have a certain amount of subjects you can't get to go in a heart to get a skill. And it shouldn't work like that.
So what I do know, people in different parishes, with the skill of these farmers here and these people, them can start hiring them.
That church right up there, I'm looking at that church every day, so that should be a skill center.
Yes, sir.
You know, even something, because, you know, it's a good structure of church, building, stone build that church. So them could have used it, you know. Private man or government could have, you know, that shouldn't have waste. That if something like that a waste, what you think?
What's the way I say?
People, you know, you could not do 4 months you do like welding, 4 months out of the year you do like 3 different trades a year time. So 4 months you can, you know, you can teach a trade. Every 4 months is a different trade. You don't have to have one trade every 4 months. It's a different trade. If you understand, so you know, trading center. Even for building, even for welding, mechanic. You use up a facility up there. So you know, so 3 times for the year, a youth can come in and say, alright then, I don't like that one day. And you even can get two skill out of it. And then, you know, you can find a job, give them or something. Nice little church up there, on the hill can use. Because young people them can walk go up there, because the 2 roads can go up there, one from right here and one from up there. So you can walk go up by church. That shouldn't waste. Government still to help. Because you know, none of them are coming out of my community. I say, boy, we youth them never want to learn. Just to go to school sometimes, even have $1,000 to give your youth to go to school, it's hard. Because fear, bus fare, lunch, you can't give a youth less than $1,000. So right now, some of them, that make them drop out. That's one of the things, make them drop out and they have a little ride or something where they might get to go to school, they don't want to go. Like a bus ride or something. You understand?
Well, I'm going to tell you.
But you know, those things, man, if the government don't help, you know, but the youth them have to help themselves to not just the government either, you know? Youth them have to push out if they want. Because the way you want, you know, you can give, just like you can carry a man, you can feed a man if you know hungry now, go eat. You understand?
You bring them to the river, they might not want to drink it.
They might not want that, you know?
Well, you know, so the system mentally push a certain vibration on them head will just want to modernize and make them think like Babylon. So,
Yeah,
what you
that you know, same thing with that food. I don't think them know where the system why you think
Yeah.
the way.
yeah. That's why you know the on Instagram, you keep it basic with the people.
Yeah, man.
You don't waste your time on social
man.
media and socialize.
No, sir.
Yeah, do things.
Yeah, me I do what me can do, and if we get together, my party like my family, my sister come here, everybody, man, even my brother.
Them love it.
Yes, and when my brother just fly down. When me see Sunday the party, I say come, can I say never dare come. The Sunday me see in Jeep pull up. Right at me, I say, my brother that there. And never he come here all the while him there here, Come and me say, come and me have my brother them. A lot of people, man, it's nice to see my family them get together. And it was a joy, Friends see them here.
Yeah.
Close friend, far friend, people, cousins, just come and get together. It's like a get together, family get together. Not just we, people look out for us, everybody can come meet and greet them one another too.
So in
Things
all,
like that we are doing.
In all honesty, what you're doing here, because your construction of your
No,
dream.
I could have gone in a system and work like a slave man. Tell a fire. I don't have to come to Jamaica. How much week now I no work? 5 weeks now I no work, But that did a five paycheck that me lose. But me no feel no way. Me feel better than the 5 paycheck when I get, because money is nothing.
So you have to health first. You
Yes.
come get your vitamin D or so and
Everything,
get
man.
your mint tea and your herbs
and get the good food
and say hello to everybody.
Yeah,
Can
I
I
feel
find you
better.
can't really say hello.
cold right now. Weather cold every day. Weather out there, the people all weather cold. You have to get up like a idiot. Beard not even can eat good. You have to run with your food in your hand. You have to run like an idiot to go up and it's slavery, cause mental slavery can't done now. Can't done.
No, you can't get rid of that.
Alright, now me feel free, cause me feel free. Between get up this morning, I don't want my letter. No, I don't have to go in and don't
No bills, you don't owe nobody nothing.
Me owe about I don't know nothing much.
Yeah.
When me work can't turn,
Wow.
Yeah,
This is the real good life. See that people, look there. The man get up, him not work 5 weeks. Him have him thing, him have him pig, him have him thing, him have him food, him have him trees.
Yeah, man.
The man, the dream.
Young, 28.
Yeah, the man are 28 people. And in 4 years you accomplish this.
Yeah,
And some man live a lifetime
to do it.
and not even do it.
I not even want to do it,
Because
focus,
the system can trick, Once you get in there, you think say you get ahead, but you just...
Yeah, man.
So what month you born?
February. You see them birthday party?
Yes, sorry,
Weekend,
February.
yeah. February 24th.
But what make you so focused and driven? Your family, your brother?
Yeah, my brother, like my family, man. My family hardworking from my father. From I grew up and I see how he move, he work hard, Smart too. And I come and I hear about my grandfather and his history and thing, and I say, cause my grandfather live up at the house there,
Which house?
And like my grandfather think did a good home, so I said, no, my grandfather house old, I get old, so I said, I go build something to represent him.
Yeah.
That means that when a man
What's
come
his
out here,
name?
Rennie Palmer,
Mas
Rennie,
Rennie.
Mas Rennie Palmer, yeah.
Mas Rennie.
Yeah,
Wow, can we hear him name every time I grow up? Mas Rennie.
yeah. Cleveland Palmer,
Wow.
yeah. Rennie, he's a foundation man to in this community, Yeah, man.
So him grave there.
Up at church, we want to walk up there.
Yeah, one day, but I give him some
Tony,
respect.
where you go? Mama, want to go brush up the place, And when you're ready, I go up there when I did like when I want to go up there, go brush up here.
Today, man.
Today when I come there, we just go up there and brush up here real quick. When? Alright, when you done, you come back.
Now, let me get my bag.
No, you are going to make it.
I'm going to get my bag for something. I'll be right back.